Here's the snow we got last night. Got a bunch. There was hardly any snow left yesterday. This is Sunday. Yeah, we got a bunch. There was hardly any snow. They got this all last night. A whole bunch over there, pushing it all over the place. Look at that snow. Last of March, you know. In like a lamb, out like a lion, you know how that goes. Yep. Got quite a bunch, I suppose. I don't know, we must have got 10 inches, maybe close to 12. Got a bunch. Some up on the house, but it'll melt in the next few days. This won't last, but just reminds us that you live in Minnesota. Minnesota, you never know.